in your apartment so far, give or take?
This is actually my second year here.
Wait, only a second?
Yeah. So I think I think we got a new place like 2024. Yes, so it's 2024. And then I've been here 2 years. I'll probably renew it another year too. Yeah. Guys, it's not that bad, right? Okay, I'll do a little tour of the apartment while you're setting up. So I think my issue is that I have a lot of stuff and I don't know where to put it. So I have all my clothes here. This is my kitchen counter. This is my area where I do all of my like hobbies and stuff.
Wait, you do stuff in your free time?
I do. I started my painting again.
Wait.
What do you think she did in her free time?
I don't know. I thought she was just
TikTok.
Yeah, I thought you were just bedrotting, but you're doing stuff.
I do stuff. Here's my Legos that I do.
Wait.
Yeah. And then my stream desk.
Yo, thank you, Dogsack, for the Prime.
I stream here, and I just need a lot of help to clean. I'm very proud of this area. Boom.
You're proud of this area?
Yes.
Yo, wait, your bedroom has really...
it's so cute in here.
You have really nice curtains.
I know, someone installed those curtains for me.
Is that
I don't
you?
know who it is.
They're like too short, they're like too small, but
And then Julia, look at this area.
Oh, cute, a little vanity.
Yeah.
I've always wanted a vanity.
But it's just a little messy and
That's okay.
It's like stained pink.
It's okay, we brought Barkeeper's friend and he'll get it out.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Guys, oh my gosh.
Yes, we have everything.
And then
Think like a monk.
Oh, I got that in my P.O. box. So I read that whenever I'm sad.
Oh. Does it help?
Yeah, well, I'm only on page 5.
Okay.
It's an idea.
Okay,
It's
that's
an
fine.
idea. And then my bathroom, I'm very proud of. It's not too messy.
No, this is...
It's just stuff to throw away. Here's your shirt, Julia, you let me borrow.
Oh, thank you. Amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, you got the shirt back.
Yes. And then,
Do you stand when you pee?
no, Josh did that. I swear. Wait, yeah, there's my toilet. Oh, Julia, my shower.
Oh.
Okay, about that 30 minutes.
It's normal.
At least it's like... It's in an organized pile.
Thank you. Yes. So what happens is the hair like gets pooled down here.
Okay.
And then I pick it up because it starts it starts clogging the drain.
Right,
so I grab it and I put it on the wall.
Okay.
How? Yes.
Oh, it's a little soft.
Oh, you don't have speakers?
Oh my god, you have
have to
so much
put
room in your closet. That's amazing.
Wait, your closet looks kind of clean.
Yes,
though.
yes. I love my
Wait,
closet.
that's impressive. Oh my god, look at the organization skills.
Girl, this is cunty.
Yes, I got it from an Instagram brand. I think they're called Mischief. Yes.
That is cunty
But
slay.
I've never worn it.
Oh my god.
What does it mean to be cunty?
Like slay girl.
Like extra slay.
Yes. So I'm very proud of my closet.
Yes.
It's just I didn't put things up and stuff.
That's okay.
And that's the whole thing. What do you think, guys?
Well, so Emily.
Yeah.
I am actually proud of you.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I thought it would be even worse.
Really?
Yeah, because usually like the couple of times that I've seen your apartment, it looks like this, and you're like, oh, I cleaned a little bit.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I don't know how it looks like when it's not clean.
Yeah. Well, I don't think I can imagine it like extremely organized though. You think you can really make it organized?
1,000%, yeah.
I have a question.
Really?
Is there anything that we will find that might be dangerous, or maybe a biohazard, or maybe just terrifying?
No, I hid it all in a cupboard.
Okay.
So I'll let you know which cupboard you cannot open.
Okay. I won't just be opening stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe
No,
in
you
your
can.
kitchen.
You can literally open anything except this cupboard.
Monka.
That one, on the left, underneath the candy cane. Do not open that.
Okay.
Underneath the candy cane.
Off on camera.
On camera. You can see it off camera.
Wait, can we look?
Sure, but just don't put it on camera.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, can we actually look?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get over here.
Oh my god,
You're
I'm
gonna be
excited.
confused, but it's fine.
Okay.
Just use like
you
sound
ready?
effects. Yeah.
Should I be prepared?
No, it's just you're gonna be confused, but it's like.
Oh, I get it.
Oh.
Oh, girls! Slay queen! Oh my god.
Arthur's confused. Arthur,
Okay.
what's your reaction?
Good choice.
I saw.
Uh-huh.
I mean, that's great. That's great.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, Julia, I have another thing to show you.
Okay. I'm gonna put my shirt over there.
So
If Julia wants to look under the bed.
Yes, move, Arthur!
wait, it still exists?
Wait, where is it?
What?
Other side. Other way. Move the blanket
way?
to the other side.
Oh my god!
Emily,
What?
there is no way you have not moved it in like 2 years.
It's a national treasure at this point. I'm not touching that thing.
You haven't moved it in 2 years?
Oh my
No.
god!
What do you, Julia, it's not that crazy, right? This is the monster.
It's well loved.
No, it's not! Is it? Oh, wait, yeah, you're right.
Wait, what?
You know, it's a
I feel weird if I like check
girl's gotta
again.
do
Like, the
what a
first one was
girl's
like-
gotta do, okay, Arthur?
Wait,
Careful, it jumps out at you.
I have nightmares sometimes.
It's fine.
If that thing didn't actually move in 2 years, I don't know if that's impressive or terrifying.
She just puts it back in its place. Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is not the same one.
She's a
It
woman.
is.
That's the same
That's
one?
the same one that everyone freaks out about.
Why do I remember it being smaller?
What? Shut up.
That's
Shut
just-
up, Arthur. Arthur's farming, guys. Don't listen to him. That's a monster. Okay, everything else is all you can touch.
Okay, so this is what my mom has always taught me when it comes to tackling large projects. Gang. So we got to get together. So what we should do is we should make piles. So clothes will go into one area. We'll have the dishes all go into the sink. Anything that needs to go into the room will go into the room.
Okay.
Good
Hobby stuff will
night.
stay with hobby stuff.
Wait, before we do that though, I need to get my thumbnail.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Arthur, you stand right there. Julia, Arthur right here. Julia, like right behind him, and then Emily's gonna be right here, and she's gonna look shit. Hopefully, Emily though.
Yo,
Yes,
Top Gun,
yes,
thank you so much for the
Josh?
23 months.
We're gonna get the thumbnail.
Emily, we need you for the thumbnail.
Josh, come over here. I'm a little busy.
Oh.
Oh.
What happened?
Well, I heard what Julia said, and now I must rest. I think I'm good. I'm good.
This looks comfy.
Okay, I have a
Yes.
question. We put all the clothes together and we throw them into the washer.
No,
like
no,
you
some
are.
of them are clean though.
What do you
That's
mean some of them
okay.
are clean?
Some of them are clean, some of them are dirty.
No,
Okay.
that's nope.
I mean, that's not how it works.
No.
All of it is dirty.
No.
It's on the ground.
Every time you wash your clothes one more time, it like ruins the lifespan of it. So
But
you
you
want to wash it as least as possible.
But you wash it on cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that that help?
Yeah,
Yeah, it
because hot is like,
Stretches it out.
it stretches it out, and then if you throw it into the dryer, it then shrinks it again, and like stretching and shrinking and stretching and shrinking.
and then the
That's
colors
what
will
ruins it.
bleed.
It feels sacrilegious to wash something that I haven't even worn yet.
Okay, how about we start with the blankets then? Because I know you probably have never washed